What's up, garden friends? Welcome back. You guys know, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something most gardeners don't like to do, and that's clean up. So I gathered some of the family members and we're gonna get some cleaning done. I couldn't get everybody out here, but I got my two little ones. Charlotte, say hi.
Hi.
I got Charlotte, she got a mask on. I got Chelsea. Chelsea, say hi.
Hi.
And my oldest daughter gonna help me. She's gonna jump in the camera later, and we're gonna get some cleaning done. And these are the places we're gonna attack in the garden. She'll be seeing it on the screen right now,
Hello.
but I just want you guys to stick around and watch us get some work done. And we have a little surprise today. I totally forgot about this peanut plant, but we're gonna try to harvest whatever we have down here. It was our little experiment for us this year. We never grew peanuts before, but if it was a success this year, next year we plan on growing a lot more. So stick around. That's just a little extra for you guys. So you're gonna see what we do with these, all right?
Hey, my cousin.
Let's go. Let's get all the cleaning done, all right?
Wait.
Grab all the plants.
Wait for me.
I'm waiting for you, mama.
Got it.
So this is the finished product of this area. We still got more to do. We got all the weeds up. You can see some leaves still on the floor. We're gonna blow that out a little later. And this is it. All right, guys, so now we're gonna harvest this peanut plants. I planted this plant way back in, I wanna say April or May. And it's been a long time since I even took a look at it, but I've been watering it, making sure everything is good. As you can see, the foliage look pretty nice, and we all the way in October right now. But right now, I want to harvest this peanut. But when I did tumble it a little bit back in September, I saw a little peanut. So if you come closer, there's a little peanut. So I know our experiment. See it right here? So I knew our experiment is good. I don't know too much about the peanut plant, but I know one thing. If this come out good, we're gonna definitely plant it again. So what I wanna do is empty. Wow, there's more here. Trinity, look. There's more over here. Wow. This is awesome. Oh, there's more. Wow, this really turned out pretty well. Wow. Look at that. I'm just gonna pull this thing out. I want to see what we got. Okay. Peanuts right here. I'm gonna dust this on the floor. So it did work out. We got some peanuts right here. See? We got some right here. I'm gonna drop them on the floor. Pick them off. I didn't plant a whole bunch. I just put a few peanuts inside of this grow bag just to see what would happen. And look at that. Hi, Chelsea.
Hi. What are you making?
We're picking the peanuts.
I want peanuts.
No, you can't get this. You know you're allergic to this.
I
So check
have,
that out.
I have two.
So you guys should go out there. You know what? I've seen a few videos and they tumble this.
You got eaten.
Okay. Yep, we got some in here. There's some in here.
Me too.
I don't think there's any more because I didn't plant them too deep. All right. So if you guys look, we have a few of them.
Peanuts.
Next year we'll do a better job than this.
I want peanuts.
Because now I know what to do. No, I can't give this to you. Your mom will kill me. Look at that. It's okay. I got a handful of peanuts. See?
Daddy,
You could, I guess you could roast them or you could do something with them. But this is pretty cool. I love this experiment. We get to have something else to our garden. It's cool. Nice over here.
why did you ever get bugs here?
All right. So we got this area cleaned up.
My hand, I cleaned my hand.
I'm gonna take those stuff out and we're gonna fill that up with dirt. We're gonna separate the apple tree, the bark of it. I'm gonna put something around the tree and then cover it with dirt. At least about 7 inches of dirt. And there's my helpers.
Mommy.
They're screaming out for their mommy.
Mommy, baby.
Okay, there you go. While we have more time, we're gonna pick this squash because I have to take this, clean up this entire area. Clip. Look there. This is gonna be my own personal squash. The other one, I give that one to my mother. So this one gonna be my own personal squash. It looks small, but it's big to me. It's still a little hot. All right, we got some bitter melons over here. I'll just get it up. And then I'm gonna just pull this thing out of here. I really gotta clean up over here. This is the thing with squash. It gets all over. There's no, look at my tree. The squash is. All right. I got my snips here though with me. My trusty snips. The vine is so strong. It's even on my flag. Check this out. Look how many squash I have over here. If I would have left this plant, if I would have planted early, 1, 2, 3, 4 squash is still on it for a baby one. Actually 5. There's another one right here. It's a next year. The greater good. We gotta do it for the greater good. Everywhere. It started out one place and it wound up all around the garden. I'll plant it way better next year, so you guys get to see something different. So this is the finished product over here. So we got this cleaned up. You can check out the rattlesnake. It's not real. Don't think it's real. As winter approach, we're gonna continue to keep cleaning our garden. And I advise most of you to get busy, because you don't want to wait till winter roll around to start cleaning your garden. So we're gonna keep cleaning, doing what we gotta do. But the planting don't stop. We're gonna keep planting all year, in and out the house. So you guys know, a regular house cleaning, like, comment, subscribe. That means a lot to me. And we got a few more things to do. So I'm gonna go in the front and do that. So see you guys on the next one.